The next section is looking at performance insights within the ESP. You want to look at unsubscribe rate, bounce rate, spam complaint rate. So I'll just quickly highlight some of this. Again, I'm hiding the brand for privacy purposes. So bounce rate here, you can see bounce rate is pretty average here. You can look at the benchmark there, 1%, way below the average benchmark. This is over a period of the last 90 days. So you can see it's very safe. And then there's a big spike here, Apple 2.69. Let me just move my face here. 2.69, there's been a bit of a bounce here. It could have been because of a blast campaign sent. So they would want to clean up their email list, for instance, or they want to segment correctly because you do want to exclude hard bounces from your targeting. I do know that Klaviyo also takes care of cleaning out lists, suppressing them if there's a lot of bounces being occurred. Unsubscribe rate, you can see there, you of course want to aim for a low enough unsubscribe rate. You can see for this particular brand, it's healthy, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. That's the average range we see for D2C brands. Spam complaint rate, you want to keep this one again as low as possible, below 0.3%, I believe. And you can see here, spam complaint rate's pretty fine. So this brand is doing pretty well in this area. So I'll mark them unsubscribe rate. It's healthy. Of course, 75, you can always be better. Bounce rate, there's some spike. Spam complaint rate's actually well. And you can just add in your little notes here and so on.